there, CC Fam. I hope you're doing well. You know that we're always on the lookout for ways to help you shine online. Guess what? We've got some exciting suggestions to give your YouTube channel a real boost. First up, custom thumbnail pictures. Did you know that eye-catching thumbnails can really make a difference? To grab attention and drive more clicks to your videos. So the next time you send in your videos, be sure to include photos of you in different poses and reactions. Or hey, when you're recording your video, just strike a few poses for us to snap before you start talking. It's that easy. Next, SEO optimized titles. Let us work our magic to generate titles that will boost your visibility and ranking on YouTube searches. Just let us know your preferences by indicating it on the submission form. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about cross-promotion on social media. Well, it's not just about sharing your videos. It's about creating a buzz. Share your YouTube video links on all your social media platforms. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, you name it. Encourage your followers to like, share, and retweet. The more eyes on your content, the better. And don't forget to engage with your audience on social media too. Respond to comments, ask questions, and start conversations. It's all about building a loyal community around your channel. Now, if growing your YouTube channel isn't your focus right now, no worries. We'll stick to what's working for you. But hey, if you're ready to dive in and explore these strategies further, we're here to chat anytime. Just reach out. Because at Content Compounding, your success is our priority. Let's make your YouTube channel shine brighter than ever.